Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to connect your Metal TV to your Roblox. First, open up your Metal TV and then on the upper right corner, go ahead and click on your profile and then click on settings. In the settings, go ahead and scroll down until you see connected accounts. On that connected accounts, you will see Discord, Roblox, and other accounts you can connect. Over here, just go ahead and click on Roblox. This will redirect you to your browser and this will pop up. Let me go ahead and show you. If you are already logged in on your Roblox on your browser, just go ahead and click on continue. If this is not your desired account, just go ahead and click on change account. Here, just go ahead and select this. And on the bottom, just go ahead and click on continue and confirm changes. After that, you will be back to Metal. It will say you are connected to Roblox with your Metal. That is easy as it can get. Hope this video helps you out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.